Hey DJ, you good, bro?
What?
You good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Your eyeballs are closed. Can you see?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
You just pissed your pants.
I know.
Why'd you pee your pants?
So I'm a stupid fuck.
You good?
Yeah.
Do you love me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you come upstairs with me?
No.
Why not?
'Cause I'm not dumb.
Why would you be dumb to go upstairs to your own bed? Are you going to work tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know you're not. You know you have to get up in like an hour. I'm trying to get you to go to bed. You know my dad's going to be mad, right?
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you don't give a fuck if my dad's mad? Huh? Hey, you good?
What?
Are you drunk?
Yeah.
You are drunk?
Yeah.
Is that why you can't keep your eyes open? Hey, DJ.
What?
What happened to your game? It stopped working. The screen went black.
What?
Can you open your eyeballs right now? Can you open your eyeballs? DJ. Can you open your eyeballs? Hey. Can you open your eyes? You good? How good? DJ. You good?
What?
I love you. You're just passing out, sitting up. You okay? DJ. Get up. Hey. Hey. You good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mhm.
Wake up! You just dropped your controller. What are you gonna do? Punch me?
Fucking ass someone.
You're gonna do what? You're gonna hit someone? Who are you hitting? Hey, you peed yourself. DJ. Hey.